Hey guys, Kalela here, or Kelly, and welcome to day 6. Is it day 6? Hold on. It cannot be day 6 already. Are you kidding me? Let me check TikTok. Yes. Oh my god. It's day 6. Okay. It is day 6 of me working on the kintra sweater test knit. As you remember from last night, if you were watching last night's video, yesterday's video, I am now starting to repeat the colors from up here. So now I am using what color is this? The orange color here. I just finished using the main color again, but you can't really see it. So I'm using the orange and the main color again, like from here, but it's not gonna be as prominent. It's literally right there. But this is what it's looking like so far. The design that's coming out of this is just so cool. I'm having so much fun with this yoke. It's so addicting. It's literally like, when I start knitting this, I'm like, I'm just like, next. It sounds crazy, but it's so much fun. And I still can't believe this is fingering weight. Like, what do you mean? And also, I'm sure everyone's probably like, wow, it's been a week and, you know, she's at a decent part of the sweater, you know. Yeah, I can knit like a normal person, okay? It's only because I've been super busy. But once today, the fiber fair is over, it's over, okay? Because I am speed. No. I will just have more time to dedicate to this. So my plan today, just go to the fair. I'm not gonna expect to do a lot of knitting. I'm gonna knit a little bit on this in the car, and then I will knit a little bit at the fair as well, and then come home and knit a lot. That's my plan. So that's what I have for now. I am going to head to the fiber fair, and you guys will just see me knitting until I speak again. Hello, I am home from the fiber fair. I've been home for like, oh my gosh, 4 hours now. I had to wind down, shower, get out of my outside clothes and just chill, okay? Because while it was fun, yes, it is very overstimulating when, you know, people are good. I loved people saying hi and everything. That, I'm just an introvert, okay? And sometimes, you know how our battery gets in social interactions, okay? Yeah, so I just felt a little overstimulated, and the crazy thing is I only felt it after. I didn't feel it during the time. I felt it after. I was like, oh my gosh, I am so drained from interacting with human beings. But it was so much fun being there. All of my yarns are so, like, they're unraveling in the bag. And so I have to make sure they don't end up tangling up, because that would be annoying. So let me make sure this is good. Yeah, anyway, it is currently 6 p.m. Yes, it just turned 6:05 p.m. Very perfect evening time to continue my knitting. I knitted like for 2 seconds over there. So not much progress with that, but I do plan to stay up a little bit. And based on my speed for tonight, speed does not always mean fast or swiftness, you know, just based on the speed that I go, whether it be slow, fast, medium, it will determine what my goal will be for the night. So I'll do some knitting, and then after like an hour or so, I'll be like, okay, maybe I want to knit like this amount for today or that amount for today, you know? That's how I'm going to determine what I want to do. But for now, okay, I think that's good enough. For now, what's the next color? Pink. Okay, perfect. Let's get that out. Yeah, but for now, I'm just going to chill and knit. Maybe watch some Game of Thrones. I'm gonna start Game of Thrones again for the 100th time. I have tried to continue it like almost every year, and I always stop at season 2. So maybe this is the time that I'll be able to finish it, because I'm actually going to watch it with someone and not just watch it by myself. But yeah, that is all for now. I'm gonna whip out my charts and start getting some work done. Talk in a bit. Remember what the last color I said I was on, but since I have spoken to you guys, I've knitted for like 3 hours-ish. I watched 4 full episodes of Game of Thrones, and you know those are like an hour long. So this is what I got done. Let's pull that. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but I got through all of the new orange and the pink. Wait, yes. All of the orange and the pink, they kind of look the same here. You can't really tell, but yeah. Orange and the pink, and I am on the brown and the white right now. You can't see it here, but you can see it here where the white is coming in. So this section is gonna kind of be repeated. Well, I guess these colors I should say, because the section itself is turning out differently than before. As you can see, like the green here was the green here, but it was with the orange, and the orange is kind of alone there with the pink. So it's very nice, and I can't wait to see the white. I think once I see the white reappear, it will definitely give the repeating illusion of this section. But for now, it just kind of looks like I'm just adding on more colors. But yeah, I'm very excited for the brown and the white to start poking out, because right now you can't really see them because they're both just fresh. So it's currently 10:38 p.m. I plan on staying up for a few more hours. I really want to finish the brown section and the white section and potentially get to these 2 colors, which means I would have changed like 5 different colors. Because let's see, I'm on, looking at the chart right now, I'm on the brown and white. And then this white will go into this color, and this will go into this color. If I do that, I can finish the yoke tomorrow morning, okay? So if I get to round, yeah, that round. So that's basically 10 more rounds for me. But I also switched to 32s, so now it looks wider. You know, there are no short rows, so there's no front or back. But it's front or back, you know, it's shown just yet. But I put on 32s, and this is how it is working up. This is so crazy because I'm thinking about how I went from a size 6mm needle from my last project to size 3.5 here. And then my next project is going to be like 7mm because I'm going to do another test knit. So it's just, I'm loving the different size needles that I'm using for my projects. It's very awesome. Okay, I accidentally just tangled my yarn sitting here. Like, my yarn doesn't tangle when I knit, but when I sit here and move my project, it tangles. I'm very excited for this. I am loving this yoke so much. And like I said, I'm just on the chart, so nothing is really off. The stitch count is fine. Well, according to when I do my increases, I know that my stitch count is fine because everything matches up. And yeah, I want to do like 10 more rounds. And if I still have some more gas in me, I might do something crazy and finish the yoke. That's crazy, okay? So that's what I'm saying. 10 more rounds. Let's see where that takes me for the night. Another day, another I am too tired to continue. I am tired, okay? I said I wanted to get to these two. I have one more round before I get to this one, and I just cannot. I do not like knitting when I am too tired. Like, I just refuse to, unless it's like a challenge, I refuse to push past that tired feeling. It's currently midnight right now. This is not a challenge, so I do not need to push past anything. Do I have goals? Yes. I will finish the rest of the yoke tomorrow and split for sleeves. That is my goal. But for now, I'm going to sleep. You can see more of the brown and white working up, and you can see how different it is from the piano tile look up here. But I'm loving the repeat. I'm loving the repeat. It's looking amazing and random and awesome, and it's my favorite thing ever because now this new section repeating with the same exact colored yarns is not even going to look the same as here. So it's going to be same colors, different styling, different positioning, and it's actually really cool. So yeah, that is all that I have for this video tonight. Tomorrow I am going ham. Okay? Going ham, finishing up the yoke of this pattern. It is so easy. So very easy. And I'm just like, wow. I'm doing this on 3.5mm needles, and I know I said earlier that, was it earlier? Was it yesterday? I was like, I'm on day 6. No, today's day 6. Yeah, I was like, I'm on day 6, and I've only gotten this much done. Did I say that here or on TikTok? I don't know. But I'm just like, I'm actually getting a lot of progress done. I'm not gonna lie. A week in, and I'll be done with the yoke on a fingering weight sweater. Yeah, that's amazing. Especially since I will have all day tomorrow to just knit. And the past 2 days, yesterday and today, yesterday and today, half the day was spent out of Fiber Fair, coming home, spending hours just winding down, and then getting into it at night like that. Whew, I'm already drained from today. I'm glad I got the knitting in that I got in. I was so confused just now because I was like, why is this saying I am at a certain spot that I am not at? But I realized I'm not one round away. I am on the color change section because I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I'm literally at the color change section to change the brown into this color. Wow. That is so funny. Okay, well, starting tomorrow off with a bang. A bang. And then that will go into that. Okay. This is going to be interesting. But yeah, I need to cross these off. That's what confused me. Because I've been crossing off the stuff that I've done. Okay, perfect. Because I looked at my row counter, I'm like, why does it say I'm on this round when my chart doesn't say that? So I have 11 rounds left of the yoke. That is my plan tomorrow. Finish the 11 rounds, split for the sleeves and the body. I can start a little bit on the body if I want, but my goal is literally just to chill, knit, finish that. And I will be so happy with that progress. I don't care if it takes me all day. I will be happy with finishing the yoke. Because once I get to the body... because all I'm doing is just plain stockinette. Okay, anyway, I'm very tired. I've been watching spindle videos, and I'm going to continue that tomorrow. I'm very excited for that. And yeah, I'm just very tired, and I want to go to sleep. I don't even want to read. I just want to go to sleep. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Good night.